Hi, my name's Colin Donohoe and welcome to Centre Life Balance. In this video, I'm going to be talking about one of the key fundamental principles and one of the key purposes of practicing Tai Chi and Qi Gong, relaxation. When it comes to relaxation, there's two key areas that we want to focus on. The first area is relaxation of the mind. The second area is relaxation of the body. Anytime that you have stress or tension in the mind, the body becomes tensed and resistance tends to build up. You can see people that have a lot on their mind, that their brow will become tense, their shoulders become stiff and tense. This is not good for Tai Chi and not good for Qi Gong. So the first area we want to really focus on is relaxing the mind. The second area is relaxation of the body. This is the key purpose of Tai Chi and one of the key fundamental principles. When we practice our Qi Gong or our Tai Chi, relaxation really needs to be at the forefront of our practice for us to be able to get the real good benefits that will yield the most energy and the most relaxation and harmony. When it comes to relaxing the mind, the fastest and easiest way to relax the mind during practice is to focus on the practice itself. When you're doing your movements in Tai Chi or in Qi Gong, trying to put as much awareness as you can on every detail of the movement. For example, gathering in Qi Gong, we want to be focusing on feeling as much as we can throughout the movement. Feeling how the arm feels, feeling the way the spine is your body straight, are your shoulders relaxed? All of these areas that you want to be focusing on when you're doing your movements will help the mind to stay focused and concentrated. Through concentration and focus, the mind will not be distracted with thoughts of the past or the future, and it will be easier for the mind to relax. Next, we want to talk about relaxing the body. The first area that we want to focus on, or the first way to relax the body, is to body scan. So what I mean by that is whenever you're doing a practice, maybe it's a standing meditation or it's a sitting meditation or your Tai Chi movements or your form, you want to be able to focus on what areas of the body you're feeling tension in. You use the mind to intuit into the body. Am I feeling any tension in my lower back, or am I feeling tension in my leg? Where is the resistance within the body? By scanning the body and going from part to part, you maybe start at the neck, then work to the shoulders, relaxing the shoulders. Okay, next I want to move on to my elbows. Is there any tension in my elbows? What can I feel there? Next you want to maybe move to the wrists. What can I feel in the wrists? Is there any tension there? So by scanning the body with the mind, this is one way of helping to relax the body. Each time you go from one body part to the next, you leave behind in that area a little bit of awareness that relaxation is something you want to achieve in that area. So by gathering in and going through the body, each part by part, you gradually move from the shoulders to the elbows, wrists, down to the waist, relaxing the back, the chest area, sinking down, and gradually scanning all parts of the body. This is one way to relax the body. The next way we can focus on relaxing the body will be through joint rotation exercises. Joint rotation exercises are a hands-on way to get more flexibility and more mobility into the joints of the body, which is where we tend to carry most of our stiffness. For example, a lot of people carry a lot of tension in their shoulders, and an example of a joint rotation exercise for the shoulder would be rotating the shoulders forward to backward like this. And in order to get the movement fully comprehensive to the body, we would change direction so that we're including both directions and making it a more total movement. I'll post a link down below of some joint rotation exercises that you can do if you want to encourage more relaxation within the body. The third way that we encourage relaxation in the body is through joint loosening exercises. Joint loosening exercises are more of a flowing movement like such, with swinging of the arms. It could be a turning of the body to let the arms swing loosely, and it's really about loosening the body rather than rotating specific joints. These loosening exercises are intended to be done with as much relaxation as possible throughout the body, not trying to force the movement, but rather just turn gently and allow the movement to just happen and allow the extremities of the body, the arms, to move gently with the body. So that's the third way of relaxing the body. The fourth way we want to talk about relaxing the body, especially in terms of Tai Chi and Qi Gong, is to use the least amount of energy when you're doing a movement. For example, if you're doing a movement like gathering in, this movement can be done with a lot of energy, like really putting all the energy into your arms and using a lot of your shoulders, or it could be done using the least amount of energy. So softly, just as little amount of energy expended as possible, doing it as softly as possible. The more effort that you need to put into something, the more energy you use. And the more effort you use, the more resistance you're going to create in the body. What we want to try and do is use the path of least resistance when we're doing our movements. This way we can encourage more relaxation within the body. The last technique I want to share with you is more of a specific shoulder relaxation technique. When you move or lift the arms in Tai Chi, I want you to focus on sinking the shoulders as the arms float up. So anytime your arms are coming up in an upward movement, either to the side or if they're coming up in front of the body, I want you to focus on sinking the shoulders down through the hips as the arms float up. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time.